Hello, good day, my dear future employers. My name is Mila Villanueva, 31 years old. I am a college graduate from the Philippines. I am a single parent. I have one child, 9 years old son. I am a Catholic. I've been working as domestic helper since 2016, 7 years in Saudi Arabia, and now currently working in Hong Kong with the experience of childcare and adult care. I am a simple and kind person you can trust. I am a hardworking, honest, organized, and truthful. I can do all the household chore like cooking, marketing, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and car washing and pet care, preparing meals for the family, as well as sending kids from school, helping them paperworks, tutoring, and taking care of the child when the parents is not in present. If you hired me, I promise that I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.